Evening, guys. So I'm going to be reading from Mark chapter 11. There's a couple verses that stuck out to me when I read chapter 11. All right, starting in verse 22. And Jesus answered them, "Have faith in God. Truly I say to you, whoever says to this mountain, 'Be taken up and thrown into the sea,' and does not doubt in his heart, but believes that what he says will come to pass, it will be done for him. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. And whenever you stand praying, forgive if you have anything against anyone, so that your Father also who is in heaven may forgive you your trespasses." So, yeah, there's a couple things that I've been convicted of, that holding grudges against people, that I need to give that to God. Pray for my friends and enemies, and truly forgive them. All right, today we got some wet walnut, so it's going to be fun. If I can split this. That don't work. We got a nice knot on this one. That's why it wasn't first try. I could edit this and just make all of them only one try, but I'm not going to. I'm going to give you the real deal. It's so wet. Have a good one. See you in the next vid.